everything okay, then you decide to go. All right, now at the stop sign, please, I want you to turn right. So as I explained it to you, what kind of stop sign we have it here?
This is always stop sign.
Good. So if you look at the intersection here, how many way we have?
We have 1, 2, 3 way.
3 way. Okay,
Yes.
so I cannot say 4-way stop sign. It's an all-way stop sign. All right, so no matter 3 ways, 2 way, 5 ways, 4 ways, when it says all way, means all the way. They have a stop sign, they have to stop, and who stop first? Go first. Excellent. So at the stop sign, please, we are turning left.
So this is another always stop sign, and this is 4 directions.
Very good. Excellent. Cool. So at the stop sign, we are going straight. Next stop sign, we are turning right.
Okay. So
Good.
same thing here, this is another all-way.
Always stop sign, we have a line, we stop before the line. When there is no line, we stop at before the sidewalk, just in case there is a pedestrians. When there is no line, no sidewalk, it's good to stop at the edge of the road.
Okay.
Now, at the stop sign here, we are turning right. So what kind of stop sign that one this time?
This one is, it doesn't say all way.
Yeah, which is the regular stop sign.
Yes.
Okay. Some people, they call it one-way stop sign,
Yes.
two-way stop sign, okay? But for me, I call it regular because it's not standard. Okay?
Yes. It's good, and I think it's easier to remember that here as well.
Exactly. Yeah.
So this way I just have to remember all way or regular stop
Or regular,
sign.
yeah. So when it's regular, I have to do 2 things. Again, law, it says stop. Stopping position also by law. Line before the line. No line before the sidewalk. At the traffic light, I want you to go left, please, ma'am.
Okay.
When you have 2 choices there, you have to indicate where you're going.
Shoulder check.
Excellent. When you are close to the turning lane, good to have a signal before, okay? And always merge into the lane, into the turning lane from the beginning.
Okay.
Don't leave even a small gap for a motorcycle could be.
Yes. So same thing here, I stop before the stop line.
Exactly, yes. So with the traffic light, stopping position is going to be the same, but most likely the intersection with the traffic light, it has a line. Barely you can find without line, which is we stop before the sidewalk.
Yes.
Good. So technically we're going.
So we have a turning arrow, so
Yeah.
okay.
We still gonna go to the residential area. We're gonna focus more on the stop sign, and then I will evaluate how you do that. Okay. Change lane to the right. At this first side road coming ahead, we are turning right, just here. Okay, let's go left. Again,
So this is another regular stop sign.
regular stop sign, yes, but this time we don't have a line, so we stop at the edge of the grass.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
So we go past the stop sign and then stop before
We
the...
don't care about the stop sign where
Yes.
they place it, okay? Now I cannot see, I have to make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
Now when you proceed, okay, me as an instructor, I always find 2 different experience. People, they have experience to catch up the obstacles fast, okay?
Okay.
Some people know they need to take more time
Yes.
to find if there is a car, okay? So if I found while we're driving, okay, if I found the student sitting beside me, okay, can catch the obstacles moving fast, okay, I recommend it for him when he move forward and look left and right, there is no cars, don't stop again.
Okay.
All right, but I encourage the people, they still have not that much experience, to stop again. It's okay.
Okay.
Always in a test, Mandeep, if they don't say anything, go right or left, means straight.
Go straight. Okay.
Mhm.
So what I did over there was good, waiting for the
Exactly,
pedestrian.
yeah. So I can explain more stuff about the pedestrians, how they cross, okay?
Okay.
In a residential area, good to wait for pedestrians, okay? From curb to curb,
Okay.
okay? And actual traffic lights, okay? There is a different stuff we have to talk about, okay? Some of the situations we have to wait half of way,
Okay.
then we can proceed. Some situation, no, we have to wait until they cross from curb to curb. So I can explain it. Go left, please. I can explain it with a diagram,
Okay.
okay? That you can catch all the situation together. Good.
So going around parked cars, do we need to signal or it's not?
You don't need signal. We're not changing lane. All right. But good to have a blind spot check. Exactly what you have done.
Yes.
Let's go right, please. Good. I want you to turn right at the first right coming ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is one more thing. I will explain it in this video. If you have a stop sign, you have to stop.
Okay.
If you don't have a stop sign, if you stop, you fail. If you don't stop at the stop sign, you fail. So same result, okay? So many people, they maybe they come from another country, like I'm coming from a country we don't have a stop sign over there. So you have just to hazard for who's coming first, okay? So and the people they come from that kind of countries, they bring their habits with them here. So in a test is not going to be something good, all right?
Yes.
Because here 99.9, let's go left, from the intersections is controlled by always stop sign or regular stop sign. Barely you can find no control intersection.
Yes.
Let's go left. So again, so in a test, if you don't stop at the stop sign, completed the stop, you fail. If you stop and there is no stop sign, it's the same result.
Yes.